Welcome to Neurohabits. In this video, I will talk about the frontal lobe's functions. In broad terms, the prefrontal cortex is involved in executive functions such as planning ahead or predicting the future, monitoring, which is evaluating a situation, sustained attention, such as keeping eyes on a target, goal-directed behavior, working memory, and problem solving. First, I'm going to mention the motor and premotor cortex. These areas are involved in the various motor movements of the body. So on a brain, I want to look at the central sulcus. In front of it, you have the precentral gyrus, which is the motor cortex, and this area around here is the premotor cortex. The dorsolateral prefrontal cortex. It has extensive connections with the parietal multimodal area. It has a critical role in working memory. You can think of working memory as short-term memory and rehearsal together. I'm going to give you an example. If you have to remember a phone number until you write it down on a piece of paper, you are using working memory. And this enables someone to plan ahead, to solve problems, and to focus his or her attention on a particular task. The ventromedial prefrontal cortex. The ventromedial area has extensive connections with the amygdala, which is a part of the limbic system. It plays a critical role in monitoring, knowing when to stop or when to start, and in inhibiting inappropriate behavior. If you think about it, all of these functions play a role in what we commonly call personality. As a side note here, I would like to add that the ventromedial prefrontal cortex is not an exactly defined area. Some people include this part, which is the orbitofrontal cortex, and some people don't. The orbitofrontal prefrontal cortex. It is involved in decision making and in the regulation of reward-oriented behaviors, as well as addictive behaviors. And it is also involved in inhibiting inappropriate behavior. So the orbitofrontal prefrontal cortex goes somewhere around here. You can learn more about it in my frontal lobes anatomy video around here. Now, the frontal eye field. Along with the supplementary eye field, the parietal eye field, and the superior colliculus, it is involved in the initiation of saccades of the contralateral eye. What this means is that it controls the eye movements of the eye on the other side of the body. So, if you are looking at the right hemisphere, this eye field controls the left eye. And now I would also like to show you where it is, and as always, you should practice finding your way around a real brain. So here is the central sulcus, and in front of it you have the precentral gyrus. The frontal eye field is located just in front of the hand area of the precentral gyrus, at the posterior part of the middle frontal gyrus. So here you see, right here you see the inferior sulcus, and at the posterior part of the middle frontal gyrus, so it should be somewhere around here. Thank you for watching this video. Please visit www.neurohabits.com for more information, videos, and other cool brain stuff.